Okay, tips for cha-cha-cha. Number one tip. So when you dance cha-cha, it's very important not to travel on cha-cha and do travel on 1, 2, 3. So what does it mean? For example, if I do a basic walk, I'm going back 2, I'm going forward 3, and I have to go side. Most of people, they're going cha-cha 1, and that's will be not the best option because following the principle, we should not be traveling on cha-cha. So let's do it more correct version. 2, 3. So here we're gonna move our hips, but still stay like really, really in place. Cha-cha, and really nice movement on count 1. Then continue forward. 2, 3. Small movement. Cha-cha. 1. So this will be much better version. So principle number 1, do not travel on cha-cha, stay in place, but of course still do a hip action, body action, and travel on 2, 3, and 1. So let's demonstrate again. This will be 2, 3 in place, cha-cha. 1, 2 we're traveling, 3 we're traveling, cha-cha in place, 1. So if this is truth for the side, the same will be for the forward and back. So let's try forward. 2, 3, and a really, really tiny here. Cha-cha is a little bit hip action. Almost feeling like you're stepping on each other, on your feet. 1, really, really big step forward. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. So typically what we see people doing, they go here 2, 3, all correct, but then here this cha-cha is getting way too big. So it should look much smaller. 2, 3, very small steps, still hip action. Cha-cha almost is under you. And 1 is very big. The same apply for the backward. 2, 3, small. Cha-cha and 1. Instead of 2, 3, big, big, big. And with this secret, even in fast music, you'll have much more time to dance, and you can produce more actions. The same idea if you do, let's say, 3 cha-cha. 2, 3, so small, small. Cha-cha is very small. 1 is a bigger. Cha-cha, small. 1 is a bigger. Cha-cha, small. 1 is a bigger. The same backward. 2, 3, cha-cha, small. Cha-cha, very tiny, very small. 1 is a bigger. Cha-cha, small. 1 is a bigger. Cha-cha, stationary. 1. The same if you do continuous leg step, let's say from your choreography. You're going cha, 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 1. Instead of travel, 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 1. So this is very, very important, the sizing of the step in cha-cha. So go through your routine, and every time you count cha-cha, do not travel. Every time you count 1, 2, 3,